Greetings, I'm Sugarville Shane, and I'd like to welcome you to the Sugarville Shane cooking channel. Today we're going to be making Sugarville Shane's Sofrito. It's been in my family for a long time. My grandmother taught me how to make it. Used to make it all the time with her. I added a few little twists to it over the years. The main reason I'm doing this is going to be my first video. And the reason I'm starting off with Sofrito is it's going to be the main ingredient in a lot of the foods we're going to be cooking together, or a lot of the things I'm going to be doing with you guys. I love it. It's good stuff. My girl likes to eat it with just plain old tortilla chips, but I use it in eggs and meats and soups and, I mean, mac and cheese, Mac Attack, Sugarville Shane's Mac Attack mac and cheese. Good stuff, man. So, I have orange peppers, yellow peppers, red pepper, green peppers, red onion, white onion, cilantro, peeled canned tomatoes, and we're going to be putting all that stuff in the Ninja here. And this is going to be my mixed bowl over here. And we're going to go at it. So I quartered all these up. You don't have to make them small because they're going into the Ninja anyways. They're going to get cut up, you know, kind of fine. And we're going to put everything in here and mix it all up and make some love, make some magic. So here we go. Let's get this Ninja rolling. And what I kind of like to do is kind of mix my choppings so it doesn't get like hard for just one substance. I kind of put some juice in there so it's easy to kind of work with. So we'll put some tomatoes in here. And we'll put some pepper, some red pepper, a little bit of cilantro, and maybe a dash of olive oil, just to keep it nice and texture, you know, smooth. Okay, so here we go. Put the lid on the Ninja. This Ninja is great. Love this thing. Lock it down. And I'm just gonna kind of pulse this to see how, you know, how it goes. All right, welcome back. We're gonna try to wrap things up here to get this done so we can get on to some cooking. It's been a while since I've made this. I'm very happy to be making it. I'm sure all my friends will be happy. All right, so the ingredients we have left, we ground all that stuff up and you saw that process. We got a big bowl here. I like to add some Sazon Goya to my Sofrito because I use it in my cooking anyways. So why not just have it in there? It works well for me. People might be going, oh, what are you doing? But it's kind of one of my secrets, man. I'm letting you in. Put this. And then I've got minced garlic here. And I had a bottle open, so that's why I'm using this. It saves a lot of work not having to mince all the garlic. I put a good little portion in there. Maybe about that much. Got that. Add a little olive oil. Then we'll just add a little regular pepper in there, because I like it spicy. Spicy like other things. All the things in life must be spicy with love. Put a little salt in there. a couple tablespoons maybe. And we're gonna stir it up. And then we'll have some Sugarville Shane Sofrito from scratch. My way. Oh man. I can't wait to get to cooking with this. Look at that. Look at that brew, baby. Some good love right there. All right, man. This is Sugarville Shane Sofrito. And I appreciate you hanging out with us. I hope you try this recipe. If you don't feel like going through all this, hit me up and I'll make you some and send it out to you. This is some good love right here. We'll be cooking a lot of our recipes and different things. I've got some things in the works, so I'm getting ready to start going at it. But this is one of the main ingredients to what I cook with. And like I said, you can use this on a lot of things, and you'll see as I move along. So peace out, and hope to see you real soon. Sugar Shane coming at you live from the Sugarville Studios. Peace.